You often say your asymmetric bets on stock and crypto you are following is over the next 8 years. Why 8 years? So first of all, I always try to make plans. 20 years ago, more than 20 years ago, I made a plan to retire by 50, etc., etc. And that comes from starting my career in Switzerland, where they planned everything long term. Everything was, the minimum was a 5-year plan, out way further. So the reason I take 8 years right now, and in 2020 I would have spoke 10 years, because we need to get through 2030. So if you had 8 to 2023, that'll take us to maybe 2031. But the point of all of this is really what's going to happen over the next 8 years. And I'm approximating here, plus or minus 1 or 2 years. But there's going to be huge advances in technology. And these technologies will revolutionize not only many industries and transform the way we live, work, communicate, but it'll also bring about outrageous returns on capital when deployed properly. So if we get ourselves, actually I zoom out for this, get ourselves into the right positions for this actual exponential change, this transformation that's coming, everybody will do very, very well. That's why I'm so excited. We have AI, we have robotics, we have energy generation and storage. Again, we had energy questions today. Biotechnology advances, also in medicine, quantum computing. And again, if we're positioned in the right assets, that will do extremely well over the next 8 years. We'll do very well. And did I mention bots? Bots have the ability to explode GDP per capita to infinity. Elon Musk's grand vision, yes, it's a little bit grandiose, but he believes there could be more bots than humans one day, which would be staggering. So again, the message to you all here is stay healthy for the 2031 party. We've got to get to that line. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And we position ourselves for the right things.